Back more, get more speed.
Get back really far. Back, way back there by that generator thingy. And just get a dead sprint going. And land on your belly.
That's an AC, dude.
Land on my belly? Land on your belly, like Superman dive onto that.
Alright. Ready?
What's the worst that'll happen?
And take 4.
Oh! Yeah!
Ha! That was awesome! Do that again!
Mission accomplished.
You're on. Okay.
Not really wet.
We'll get that way sometimes.
Wet, yeah, but cold, no. He is so into this.
Ready? Oh! Fuck!
Yes. Word.
Whoa.
Yeah, that don't work. Oh.
Try standing up.
Hurt my ass.
Again? Are you getting it ready for me?
Oh. You know it.
Try standing up and see what happens.
No, he's now just ball. Fit.
Oh, you don't have no balance standing up?
Not good balance like you. You try it. You got yours. Oh, fuck!
Oh.
Fuck that.
Yes.
Fuck that. Not doing that one.